Guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a real special truck. It's a 1946 Chevy. And I got the owner here who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today, Cliff?
I'm doing good.
Oh,
I
cool
bought
truck.
this truck about 15 years ago. I was out at a tattoo convention in Kansas.
Cool.
And I was talking to the locals there, and I said, I'm looking for an old truck. And this guy says, my family, we got all the ones from the farm.
Wow.
So he took me there the next morning, and this was next to the barn. And this was actually involved in a hurricane. Not a hurricane, I'm sorry, a tornado.
A tornado.
And it'll actually show you what damage the tornado did to this truck.
Wow.
This truck was across the street from the Dalton Museum, if you know your history about Western outlaws. And so I bought it and it sat in my garage for 15 years.
Very cool.
And then finally we pulled it off the frame. The motor was stuck. It's got a late model 6-cylinder in it, 98, from a 98 Nova. It's got disc brakes in the front, drum in the back. Automatic transmission. This is a turbo 350. Cruising gears in the back. It's a very fast truck. It's very smooth. Brand new wiring harness system.
Is it still 6-volt, Cliff?
No 12 volt. Everything
good.
everything we do, we
We're
switch
doing
to 12
12
volt.
Okay.
It's got a new aluminum radiator on it. All the windows go up and down. The windshield cranks open so you get yourself a nice breeze. And it's got Sirius radio. It's got rear directionals, hazard lights, and also backup lights. It even comes complete with its own jack bolted right onto the running board.
Nice,
so
easy
if you
access.
get a flat, you get out, unbolt it,
Done.
unscrew it off, and you're on your merry way. That was original on the truck, which I thought was pretty cool. I guess they did farming with explosives. I wouldn't want to try that today.
No. You got a little tow hitch on the back. Even little eyelets. What's that, for like a tunnel cover or something?
Yep.
Little
If you wanna,
washers. That's cool.
You want to move stuff around. I mean, I drove
Tie
this
downs or
truck-
whatever.
Drove this truck daily. Drove it all the way to Lake Winnipesaukee, New Hampshire from Long Island, New York. Had no problems.
Nice straight 6. Electronic ignition. Rack-N-Pinion steering. Huge aluminum radiator. Yeah, fire it up, Cliff.
All right. You notice it's got the outside visor,
Yeah, cool.
and it also has the signal light prism
Oh,
inside
cool.
in the dash. So you can actually see the traffic. It's called a traffic light viewer.
And some serious orange you got in there too. Man, they hear you coming with that. Said electronic ignition. This is new. And how many miles on the bill on this one?
It's got 91.
91. 91 miles?
No, 9,000.
9,000. Okay. Remember you saying you were using it as a daily. Man, she runs smooth, huh?
I drove this baby 24/7 for 3 years.
See the interior. You got satellite radio in here, right?
Yep. Can't go nowhere without satellite.
Very cool. Oh, so you set the odometer back when you did it. 9,116 miles. Turning signal indicators, got LED turning signal indicators.
It's got
And a back up.
updated windshield wipers. It's actually called the Bridgeport wiper system.
Okay.
And it's all mechanical, and it's 2 speeds, and you could, blinding rainstorm, snowstorm, you're fine.
Cool.
It's got a hot rod heater that'll roast you out.
Yeah, those were great, man. We running around the block?
Sure.
Lovely straight 6. I can just run them all day long.
Can't kill them.
Good torque, too. What'd she cruise at comfortably on the highway?
Oh, I've had this up to 80,
Huh?
but
65,
I think 65 and 70 is fine. You know, they're little trucks.
Yeah. Man, she runs nice, huh? Body off.
one thing you can really appreciate is this breeze coming through the windshield on a hot day like this.
Yeah, it is 90 degrees. It feels so nice. And the vent, cowl vent too, is super nice.
Yep, and opens and closes. Get some air on your legs.
Yeah, nice.
And this has got overdrive. Yep.
Oh, there's the overdrive. I heard it. Very cool. So guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures and information on our website. It's weebyautos.com. And hope to hear from you soon.